So, guys, what we were trying there is yesterday, the ECM we had on this thing, I kind of got to mess around with the laptop and I accidentally, totally not my fault, by the way, I bricked the ECM we were using yesterday. So, basically, the issue we're running into right now, why the Rolls Royce won't start, is because the ECM for the Cummins motor thinks it's being stolen because it doesn't detect its key that it needs. Okay. What's happened is the Rolls Royce has just infected itself with electrical gremlins because right now we've got a short somewhere in the harness that we built. We don't know exactly where it's at yet. It's fine. Let's plug it in. Worst case scenario, it fires up. Well, guys, we currently have Mr. Denty, the ECM in here now. But the guy from the junkyard said, just take it and see if it works. So we're gonna see if it works. Guys, you wouldn't believe it.
Has a oil pressure.
God damn, that was badass.
4 ECMs later.
Hey guys, in case you're wondering, the DCS stuff worked. The motor from Next Gen Parts Place worked. Just the ECMs that we had somewhere there in the middle didn't quite work as well as we want them to, but
we're batting like, what, 1 and 4 for 20-year-old Chrysler ECMs, so.
Yeah. But the fourth one that we bought from a guy down the street for 500 bucks works.